have developed a 3D printer exclusively for tablet printing.
Meet Dr. Fels Saju from Nirmala College of Pharmacy. He and his team are using 3D printing to make personalized tablets.
We are working on sodium valproate tablets. The advantage of 3D printer is we can individualize the tablets according to the patient needs. We can reduce the side effects, the adverse effects which may be due to the accumulation of overdose. Mr. Jobin Johnson, he's handling the formulation development part of this project.
By tailoring each tablet to fit the specific needs of every patient, they are changing the way healthcare works. Their approach means fewer side effects and better results for treatment, bringing hope for a healthier tomorrow.
We are developing not only one product, we are thinking about different products. Right now, we are trying to develop 2 drug formulations.
This method is more effective than traditional medicines because it considers each patient's unique needs, leading to improved outcomes and overall well-being.
3D printing is a disruptive technology. It's a very new technology. So I don't think it directly hit into the market. Instead, it may be helpful to the companies which are already in the manufacturing field of these particular drugs. So with their help, we plan to conduct the further studies and goes into the market. But obviously, it is only through the companies, through the pharmaceutical companies, it happens.